creator with over 1K plus subscribers. Say, why am I flopping? And then the video has over 100 views. I get so mad. Like, bitch, what do you mean you're flopping? Do you know how many? 100 people? Really? And then on another post, they'll say, maybe I should just quit though. Like, what? Anyways, that's all. Bye, my